DGTERA Flex.
If dine-in service is enabled in your restaurant and payment is collected after the customer finishes their meal, start by selecting the items the customer requested to create a new order, then assign the order to the customer's table by tapping Table, then select the customer's table. Once you review the order, press Send to forward it directly to the kitchen for preparation. After that, tap New to begin a new order for the next customer. If the customer wants to add items or modify their previous order, this can be done in two ways. First method, tap Table. Select the customer's table, then add or remove items as needed, or add a note. Finally, press Send to send the update to the kitchen. Second method, go to the Orders screen, select the customer's order, and make the necessary changes as explained earlier. If the customer wants to split the bill with someone else, open the customer's order from the Orders or Tables screen. Tap the three dots, then select Split Order. Next, tap Add Table and choose an empty table or a pre-assigned table dedicated to bill splitting. Select the items you want to move to the second bill, then tap Done. The system will automatically generate two separate bills. Complete the payment for the first bill. Then go to the Orders screen where you'll find the second bill ready. Tap Continue and proceed with the payment. And with that, all steps have been clearly explained.